appraisal memo, CAM-Q. At the end of learning, learner will be able to generate CAM document, can send back to rework queue if there are any changes required, move the application to credit queue, that is L1 queue. As we have seen, once all the tasks in ADE are completed, the application moves to the CAM queue. In the CAM queue, the CAM document is generated. In case of any corrections or amendments required, CAM users have the facility to add notes and comments and send the application for rework query. If there are no changes in the CAM report, the application will move to credit queue, that is L1 queue. Let's see CAM generating process. Log in to TCS Bank's LOS using SAP code and password. In the roles list, select the required option, that is CAM Officer. All the applicants submitted to the CAM queue under regular flow will move to the team queue directly. Note: applications that are processed under fast track and green channel process flow will not be reflected in the CAM queue. That is, CAM is getting auto-generated in case of fast track and green channel. CAM queue receives an application from either the ADE queue or from the rework queue. To work on any application, click on Move to My Queue button in Team Queue to enter further data. Check whether all the data entry done by the ADE queue officer is correct as per the document submitted. Now, select the Workflow tab. You can see Tasks and Documents tabs. The status of CAM preparation shows as incomplete. Click on CAM preparation. CAM document generation page appears. Specify the CAM comments. Click Save and Generate. CAM comment saved and generated message appears on the screen. CAM report. To view the CAM report, click on the Documents tab. Click on Credit Appraisal Memo. CAM document appears. The document can be downloaded or saved or printed as per requirement. Check the data available in the CAM report with details uploaded in the document checklist. Note: CAM report format differs from vertical to vertical. Match the data with the documents available in the documents checklist. Deviation will be reflected in this section with deviation authority name along with the region. Proceed to decisioning. After verifying all the information, click on Proceed to Decisioning under the task. A simplified decision page appears. Here, the application summary will be reflected. In the action list, select Notes or Notes Workflow. In the case of Notes, specify the subject and comment. If Notes Workflow selected, then select the next queue name from the options. In case of any corrections, you can send back the application by selecting the rework queue. Specify the comment. Note: whenever any application is sent to rework by either CAM or by any of the credit officers and such application come back to CAM officer, CAM officer can check the application details along with the comments for the reason of rework done in the application. If the CAM officer is fully satisfied, the application can be moved further by forwarding the application to the credit level 1 officer. Add comment for further process. Click Proceed.